Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is a live learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check bookmarks list in Google Chrome. So today just we will check. So here the Google Chrome web browsing site. So here I have lots of bookmarks. So here I want to go to the details. So how? So here go to the three bar icon, dot icon. So here I will click, and here we can see clearly bookmarks and list. So there have lots of list. This is the bookmarks and bookmarks here. Mobile bookmarks has been revealed here. This is the mobile bookmarks that I have inserted in my mobile, in my phone. So I will hide. So let's hide. So go to the bookmark manager. I can delete it. So delete. See, one by one. Then home I will delete. See, and the Gmail option. So I will click open a new tab. See, from here we can this thing. See, we can open other bookmarks. No, here the mobile bookmarks that I have been inserted in my phone. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.